Is that right? Ombre, right?
Well, she was already doing it, but I was just showing her a different way that I do it.
Okay, okay. Oh.
Just so she can see different ways.
Yeah, so I'm just going to do, yeah. So I'll put the poly gel on me. This is pink.
Okay, that looks good. Wow, it's giant. This is like for your body. Okay. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Bond.
Do the same thing, Vicky.
Yes. Primer. And I need your soft white or bright white. Which one are you using?
Soft white.
Oh, okay, even better. Okay.
Where soft white is
Soft white.
Yes.
Now, I'm only going to use it for color. Only for color.
Okay.
So rất là mỏng. Chỉ có cho là màu thôi. I like to keep it very clean, so that's why.
Oh, yeah, right.
Maybe a little bit more. Thấy không? Thì làm sao lật ngược lại để cho nó ra hết. Okay.
Cái cỏ đó là chưa có mở ra đúng không? Cái này thì sài rồi.
Okay. Okay. Coi, watch how many times I wipe my brush. Nhúng hết vô, right?
Okay.
How many?
A lot.
Even after wipe that much, watch. Thấm
Okay.
cho nó ra nữa. Because you don't need to use a lot. Okay? Bây giờ cái kiểu của Brian làm. Right now it's a ball. I don't know how much product I have. So I'm going to flatten everything out. Cho nó flat hết. Từ đó mình mới biết fade.
Đập thôi mà nhìn như cái trong bông chậu luôn ha. Hay ha.
Không có quét. Mình chỉ có tap. Yes, little taps. Use the other side of your spatula. Cut it off. You can save it, but we're only doing one, so we're not going to save it. Go back in. Brian said blend. My technique when I do ombre, I blend both colors, not just one. Because then you're going to have to build the pink thicker to cover this harsh line. So why not fade both and make your life easier?
Down enough where, like this one, I usually have a little bit not as high. Yes.
Ủa sao làm dày lại nữa? Mỏng lại nữa.
Yep, I'm thinning it out up there even more. Okay? Now you can cure this.
Yeah.
20 seconds. I don't need to cure it all the way because we have to do more. Later on, we just cure everything at one time. So it's fast. Cover pink.
And less product. Fast
Yes.
and less product. Yes.
Only for color.
Me too. And so one thing I do love about them is no headaches. Do you get headaches from that? Yeah, my sinuses.
Okay? Also, flatten everything out. Flatten everything out.
You could. One day maybe. It's really hard because
Now the cuticle area, this is what I do. I flatten the brush again. See that gap that I do right here? I change the angle of my brush and I touch the natural nail with the front of the brush. So watch what happens to the pink. It goes inside the cuticle area perfectly. Okay? And I do that all around. So the front of my brush is touching the natural nail.
Okay.
So you will never ever get any product onto the skin. You should be doing that with your acrylic also. Okay, I'm fading it out, and then when I'm happy, then I wipe forward.
They're in such a hurry.
Okay, into the light, also 20. This is too thin, way too thin. Your nails will break. But I wanted to do that on purpose because I don't build structure with the pink and the white. I build it with the light pink. So that later on, when you see online and people on Instagram too, when they take pictures like this, it looks beautiful. But on the side, they file away the ombre and you have a harsh line. That's why I do it thin and I encase everything in light pink. It changes the color, it blends the colors more, and when you file, you will not miss any product. Okay?
Because I always have to, because I do more of a stiletto, I always have to do a
Light pink.
Light pink.
You can use clear.
Natural.
You can use clear. And this is also in a cái mình khi mình bán mình chỉ cái kiểu này